Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Apply the default Bootstrap button style. Bootstrap has another class called button default. Apply the button and button default classes to each of your button elements. In that case, we will use class equal to btn and btn default. And let's copy and paste. So in case of each button, we will need to copy and paste. Same in case of these buttons, and this last one. Okay, let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.